Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here at the train station today.
Hi friends, thanks for watching. Stay with us for a useful English story.
Today you will learn English for train travel, asking for help and directions.
The level is mostly A1, with some easy B1 sentences later on.
Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from.
Hey Jessica, are you ready for our train trip today?
Yes, I'm so ready, Ryan. Let us go inside now.
Okay, I have my phone, my wallet, and my passport here.
Great! Do you also have your train ticket? Please check it now.
Wait, I cannot find my ticket. It is not in my pocket.
Check your bag carefully, Ryan. Maybe you put the ticket inside a small pocket.
It is not here. Oh no, I think I lost my train ticket.
Okay, do not panic. We will stay calm and try to solve this problem.
You are right. I will not panic. Let us go inside and ask for help.
Yes, we can ask for information. This is a good chance to practice polite English.
This hall is big. I am not sure where to go for help.
Look, over there. I think that is the information desk with the blue sign.
Maybe I can say, "Excuse me, I lost my ticket. Can you help me?"
That is perfect. Remember to speak clearly and be polite when you ask.
Should we go directly to the platform or first to the ticket office?
First, the ticket office. There, someone can check the system and maybe find your booking.
These signs are confusing. I cannot see where the ticket office is.
We can practice directions. Ask me, and I will guide you using simple phrases.
Excuse me, where's the ticket office, please? I am a bit lost.
Go straight, then turn left at the end. The ticket office is on the right.
Here I will say, "Good afternoon. I lost my ticket. What can I do?"
Nice. Adding good afternoon makes it more polite and natural in real situations.
Luckily, I still have my booking email. They can maybe print a new ticket.
Yes, show them the reference number. That usually helps solve these situations quickly.
Excuse me, I lost my paper ticket, but I still have this email here.
And we would like to know if it is possible to get a replacement ticket.
If they say yes, I can say, "Thank you very much for your help today."
And if they say no, you can ask, "Is there any other option for me?"
So the clerk says they can reprint my ticket after checking my passport details.
That is realistic. Many stations can help if you stay calm and explain clearly.
I feel so much better now that I have a new ticket in my hand.
See, asking for help politely really works. Now, we just need to find our platform.
Our train leaves from platform 6. Let us double check the time before we go down.
Good idea. It is also a nice moment to review today's key English phrases.
Today we practice asking for help, giving directions, and making polite requests at a station.
Remember expressions like, "Excuse me," "Can you help me?" and "Thank you very much."
Thank you for watching our story today. Goodbye everyone, and have a safe trip always.
Bye, friends. See you next time. Bye, Ryan. Let us catch our train now. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Have plus object shows possession. Use, "Do you also have your train ticket?" Do support for present questions. Use, Please check it now. Imperative plus object pronoun. Use I cannot find my ticket. Modal cannot for inability. Use it is not in my pocket. Not plus preposition of place. Use maybe you put the ticket. Hedging with maybe softens tone. Use I think I lost my train ticket. I think softens a statement. Past simple lost for a past act. Use do not panic. Negative imperative is firm. Use we will stay calm and try to solve. Future plan with coordinated verbs. Use let us go inside and ask for help. Suggestion with let us is gentle. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Use we can ask for information. Can for possibility or offer. Use this hall is big. Be plus adjective gives a fact. Use I am not sure where to go. Embedded question keeps order. Use look over there. Attention getting imperative. Use I think that is the information desk. Demonstrative that points out. Use excuse me, I lost my ticket. Polite opener plus clear problem. Use can you help me? Direct request with can is polite. Use should we go directly? Should for advice or choice. Use ask me and I will guide you. Comma plus enjoins two clauses. Use go straight, then turn left. Sequencing for directions. I will show when to use them in real life. Use hello everyone, welcome back. Use the ticket office is on the right. On the right gives location. Use good afternoon before asking. A greeting softens the request. Use what can I do? Modal seeks options politely. Use luckily, I still have my booking email. Adverb set tone. Luckily, still. Use they can maybe print a new ticket. Hedge maybe reduces pressure. Use show them the reference number. Object pronoun them is natural. Use that usually helps. Frequency adverb before verb. Use I lost my paper ticket, but contrast with but adds clarity. Use we would like to know if it is possible. Very polite indirect request. Use thank you very much for your help today. Strong formal gratitude. A warm group greeting with a comma. Use we are here at the train station. Use is there any other option for me? Open respectful follow-up. Use they can reprint my ticket. Service action with can. Use after checking my passport details. Participle phrase gives condition. Use our train leaves from platform 6. Present simple for timetables. Use let us double check the time. Polite team action with let us. Use review today's key English phrases. Meta language for study focus. Use remember expressions like listing useful set phrases. Use can you help me and thank you very much. Pair request with gratitude. Use goodbye everyone and have a safe trip. Farewell plus good wish. Use bye friends, see you next time. Be verb plus place shows location. Use today you will learn English. Friendly, informal closing. Use let us catch our train now. Another gentle group suggestion. Will plus base verb shows intent. Use please subscribe to our channel. Polite imperative with please. Use write a comment and tell us. Bare imperative is more direct. Use are you ready for our train trip? Yes/no question with be. Use I have my phone, my wallet.